Welcome to the Quizopolis Zoo Animals Trivia Quiz. How many of these zoo animals questions can you get right? Don't forget to subscribe to Quizopolis for more fun quizzes. Question number 1. What is the largest land animal found in zoos? Is it A, African elephant, B, giraffe, or C, rhinoceros? Make your guess now. The correct answer is African elephant. Question number 2. Which animal is known as the king of the jungle? Is it A, tiger, B, lion, or C, jaguar? Make your guess now. The correct answer is lion. Question number 3. What is the tallest animal in the world? Is it A, elephant, B, kangaroo, or C, giraffe? Make your guess now. The correct answer is giraffe. Question number 4. Which animal is known for its black and white stripes? Is it A, zebra, B, panda, or C, tiger? Make your guess now. The correct answer is zebra. Question number 5. Which animal is famous for its large, tusk-like canines called tusks? Is it A, hippopotamus, B, walrus, or C, elephant? Make your guess now. The correct answer is walrus. Question number 6. Which bird is flightless and native to Africa? Is it A, emu, B, penguin, or C, ostrich? Make your guess now. The correct answer is ostrich. Question number 7. Which animal is known for carrying its baby in a pouch? Is it A, kangaroo, B, koala, or C, opossum? Make your guess now. The correct answer is kangaroo. Question number 8. Which animal is the only marsupial found in North America? Is it A, kangaroo, B, opossum, or C, koala? Make your guess now. The correct answer is opossum. Question number 9. What is the largest species of bear? Is it A, grizzly bear, B, panda bear, or C, polar bear? Make your guess now. The correct answer is polar bear. Question number 10. Which animal is known for its black and white fur and is native to China? Is it A, giant panda, B, skunk, or C, lemur? Make your guess now. The correct answer is giant panda. Question number 11. Which aquatic mammal is known for its playful behavior and intelligence? Is it A, seal, B, dolphin, or C, manatee? Make your guess now. The correct answer is Dolphin. Question number 12. Which animal is known as the ship of the desert? Is it A, donkey, B, horse, or C, camel? Make your guess now. The correct answer is camel. Question number 13. What is the largest species of primate? Is it A, gorilla, B, orangutan, or C, chimpanzee? Make your guess now. The correct answer is gorilla. Question number 14. Which animal is known for changing its skin color to blend with its surroundings? Is it A, octopus, B, chameleon, or C, gecko? Make your guess now. The correct answer is chameleon. Question number 15. Which animal is the fastest land animal? Is it A, lion, B, pronghorn, or C, cheetah? Make your guess now. The correct answer is cheetah. Question number 16. Which animal has a long trunk used for breathing and grasping? Is it A, elephant, B, tapir, or C, anteater? Make your guess now. The correct answer is elephant. Question number 17. Which animal is known for its black mask and ringed tail? Is it A, lemur, B, raccoon, or C, red panda? Make your guess now. The correct answer is raccoon. Question number 18. Which animal is famous for its ability to sleep standing up? Is it A, cow, B, dog, or C, horse? Make your guess now. The correct answer is horse. Question number 19. Which animal is the only mammal capable of true flight? Is it A, bat, B, flying squirrel, or C, pigeon? Make your guess now. The correct answer is bat. Question number 20. Which animal is known for its powerful bite and is often found in Africa's rivers? Is it A, alligator, B, hippopotamus, or C, crocodile? Make your guess now. The correct answer is hippopotamus. Question number 21. Which animal is known as the largest rodent in the world? Is it A, beaver, B, nutria, or C, capybara? Make your guess now. The correct answer is capybara. Thanks for playing. How well did you do? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun trivia quizzes. Also, make sure you check out our other fun quizzes.